Hi guys, I am Tripura and welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to create this beautiful look. This look should not take you more than 20 or 25 minutes because this look is that easy to make. I did not use even any fake lashes or anything. I just wanted it to be soft and simple and easy. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also please follow me on Instagram. I create different looks there also. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, I am starting with NYX Angel Wild Primer. Primers are must if you want your makeup to stay for a longer time. I absolutely love this primer and would suggest anyone with oily skin. Next, I am going to do my brows. Today I am using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This pencil is very good if you are looking for an eyebrow pencil which gives you that natural finish. Always brush your eyebrows with a spoolie so that you will get an idea of where there are gaps and where you have to fill in. I always first outline my brows and then start filling in the brows. I am even brushing the brows in the middle so that I will know where I have to fill in more. Once I am done with my eyebrows, I am using a eyebrow gel to set everything in place. This is one of the very first eyebrow products I used before I actually know how to do my eyebrows. Since my brows are filled in and set in place, now I am going to do my face. On my face today I am using the Maybelline concealer. This is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This concealer is a little yellow on my face. I am using this so that I could cancel out any discoloration on my face. I am only using this concealer on the places where I have acne, scarring and pigmentation. Remember guys, with makeup you don't have to go in with a lot of product. You just have to use the product when it is needed and where it is needed. Once my concealer is done, I am going to use a foundation. Today I am using the Sugar Cosmetics Drop the Base foundation. This is a very beautiful foundation if you have dry skin or normal skin, but for oily skin people I don't recommend it. First I am blending my foundation using a foundation brush. Using beauty blenders can soak up your makeup. So if you are looking for a full coverage, I suggest you using a brush rather than a beauty blender. And then I am going in with a beauty blender to give it a seamless finish. And now I am going to conceal my under eyes. To conceal my under eyes, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I am taking a very little product and applying under my eyes, and using a concealer brush I am blending it in. Once I am done with my concealer, I am going to set my face. Today I am using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC40 to set my face. Once I am done setting my face, I am going on to the bronzer. Today I am using the Sugar Cosmetic bronzer. Always remember to blend your contour in upward direction because it will give your face a lifted effect. That is the thing you want to do when you're bronzing or contouring your face. You don't want it to look like it's dragged down. I am blending the bronzer until I am satisfied with the output. Once I am done with the bronzer, here I am using the Nykaa lipstick. I don't remember the shade, but I will definitely mention it in the description box. So do check it out. I am applying it and using my fingers to blend the product. You can definitely use any of your favorite lipsticks as a blush. And for my eyes today, I am using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and I am taking this bronzy shade and applying it on my eyelids using my finger. I'm not so precise while doing it because I'm just going for a very casual look. Once I am done with the shimmer, now I am going to take a bronzer and using a blending brush, I am using the bronzer as an eyeshadow and blending it on my crease. You can always build up the color intensity of the bronzer like how you want it to be. If you want it to be more natural, you can decrease it, or if you want it to show up a little, you can definitely add more bronzer. That's it. It is a very simple eye look. And on my lips today, I am using the Pat Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Broken Heart. I am loving this shade, guys. This shade complements my skin tone so well. And to finish off the look, I am curling my lashes and applying a mascara.